We live in a world obsessed with college degrees. People tell you to follow your passion. But what if your passion is building something with your own two hands? What if you get real satisfaction from fixing things that are broken? The trades offer a different path, one paved with hard work and real skills. Skilled trades are essential. People will always need homes, cars, and repairs. The trades require dedication and a willingness to learn. But the rewards are immense. Good paying jobs and job security, the satisfaction of building something with your own two hands. That's the value of a hard day's work. Construction is the backbone of our world. Every road, bridge, and building you see is the result of skilled tradespeople doing what they do best. And the demand for these skills is only going to increase. Let's talk about some of the in-demand trades in construction.
Electricians are the masters of energy. They install and maintain the electrical systems that power our homes and businesses.
Plumbers keep things flowing smoothly, installing and repairing water and drainage systems.
HVAC technicians ensure our comfort year-round, installing and maintaining heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems.
Welders are the artists of metal, fusing together the structures that shape our world.
Carpenters are the masters of wood, framing houses, building cabinets, and crafting intricate details.
These are just a few examples of the many rewarding and essential trades within the construction industry. Each trade requires a unique set of skills and knowledge, but they all share one thing in common. They're essential to building the world around us. And that's a pretty powerful feeling. Cars, trucks, motorcycles, our roads are filled with vehicles that keep us moving. And behind every one of those vehicles is a team of skilled technicians who keep them running smoothly.
Automotive technicians are the doctors of the automotive world. They diagnose and repair engine problems, electrical issues, brake systems, and everything in between. Diesel technicians specialize in the larger engines that power our trucks, buses, and heavy equipment.
Collision repair technicians are the artists of metal and paint, restoring damaged vehicles to their former glory.
Motorcycle technicians are the masters of two-wheeled machines, keeping these symbols of freedom on the road. And let's not forget about marine technicians, who keep our boats and watercraft shipshape.
Vehicle repair is a constantly evolving field. As technology advances, so too do the skills required to repair and maintain our vehicles. But one thing remains constant: the demand for skilled technicians is always high. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, the cost of education. We've all heard horror stories about student loan debt. But here's the good news about the trades. They offer a more affordable path to a rewarding career.
You don't need a 4-year degree to excel in the trades. Many trade schools and community colleges offer specialized programs that can get you job-ready quickly.
Apprenticeships are another great option. These programs combine paid-on-the-job training with classroom instruction. Upon completion, you'll have the skills and experience to work as a journeyman in your chosen trade. Section 5. Tools of the trade, gearing up for success. Every profession has its tools, and the trades are no exception. From hammers and wrenches to welding torches and diagnostic equipment, the tools of the trade can be a significant investment. But, they're an investment in your future.
The specific tools you'll need will depend on your chosen trade. For example, electricians will need a variety of hand tools, power tools, and testing equipment.
Plumbers will need pipe wrenches, tubing cutters, and drain cleaning equipment. And automotive technicians will need a wide range of hand tools, power tools, and diagnostic equipment. The cost of tools can add up, but it's important to remember that this is an investment in your career.
High-quality tools will last for years, and they can make a big difference in your efficiency and productivity. Many trade schools and employers offer tool purchase programs or allowances to help offset the costs.
Section 6. The demand is real job prospects in the trades. Let's talk about the job market. We've all heard about the skills gap, the shortage of skilled workers in in-demand fields. Well, the trades are at the forefront of this gap. The demand for skilled tradespeople is high, and it's only going to increase in the coming years. As the population ages and infrastructure continues to age, the need for skilled workers to build, maintain, and repair our world will only become more critical. This high demand translates into excellent job security and earning potential for skilled tradespeople. Many trades offer competitive starting salaries, and experienced tradespeople can earn six-figure incomes. And because these jobs can't be outsourced, you can be sure that your skills will always be in demand. So if you're looking for a career with excellent job security, high earning potential, and the satisfaction of knowing that your skills are in high demand, the trades are worth a serious look. Section 7. Building your own empire. Starting a trade business. For many tradespeople, the ultimate goal is to be their own boss. Starting your own trade business can be incredibly rewarding, both personally and financially. It allows you to set your own hours, choose your own clients, and build a legacy for yourself.
Of course, starting any business comes with its own set of challenges. You'll need to develop a solid business plan, secure funding, obtain any necessary licenses and permits, and market your services effectively.
But with hard work, dedication, and a commitment to providing excellent service, building a successful trade business is an achievable goal. One of the great things about starting a trade business is that you can start small and grow at your own pace.
Many tradespeople start out working for themselves on evenings and weekends while still holding down a day job. As their business grows, they can then transition to working for themselves full-time.
Let's talk about money. One of the biggest perks of owning a trade business is the earning potential. As the saying goes, the sky's the limit.
But let's get down to brass tacks and look at some real numbers. The profitability of your trade business will depend on a number of factors, including your chosen trade, your location, your overhead costs, and your marketing efforts.
But on average, skilled tradespeople who own their own businesses can earn significantly more than those who work for someone else. For example, according to industry data, the average annual salary for a self-employed electrician in the United States is over $60,000. Plumbers can earn upwards of $70,000 per year, while HVAC technicians can earn over $80,000 per year.
And these are just averages. With hard work and dedication, the earning potential is virtually limitless.
Of course, owning your own business isn't just about the money. It's about the freedom, the flexibility, and the satisfaction of building something of your own. But let's not kid ourselves. The financial rewards are definitely a major perk.
Now let's talk about something just as important as money. Job satisfaction. Nobody wants to dread going to work every day. The trades offer something truly special, a sense of purpose, pride, and accomplishment that's hard to find in many other lines of work. When you work in the trades, you see the tangible results of your labor every single day. You're not stuck in a cubicle staring at a computer screen. You're out in the world, building, fixing, and creating things that people rely on. There's a certain level of respect that comes with being a skilled tradesperson. People depend on you to keep their homes warm, their cars running, and their world functioning smoothly. And that's a pretty good feeling. So if you're looking for a career that offers more than just a paycheck, a career that provides a sense of purpose, pride, and job satisfaction, then the trades are definitely worth considering. For too long, the skilled trades have been seen as a predominantly male field. But times are changing, and more women are discovering the incredible opportunities available in the trades.
Women are just as capable as men of excelling in the trades. They bring a unique perspective, attention to detail, and problem-solving skills to the table. And as the demand for skilled tradespeople continues to grow, the industry is actively seeking to recruit and retain more women.
There are countless success stories of women who have broken down barriers and built successful careers in the trades. From electricians and plumbers to welders and carpenters, women are proving that they have what it takes to thrive in these demanding and rewarding fields.
If you're a woman who's considering a career in the trades, don't let outdated stereotypes hold you back. There are more resources and support systems available than ever before to help women succeed in the trades. In a world of instant gratification and disposable everything, the skilled trades offer a refreshing alternative, a chance to build something lasting, something tangible, something to be proud of. When you choose a career in the trades, you're not just choosing a job, you're choosing a lifestyle. You're joining a long and proud tradition of craftsmanship, of building and creating things that will stand the test of time. You'll learn valuable skills that will serve you well throughout your life. You'll develop problem-solving abilities, critical thinking skills, and a strong work ethic that will benefit you in all aspects of your life. And most importantly, you'll have the satisfaction of knowing that you're making a real difference in the world. You're building homes for families, keeping businesses running, and ensuring that our world continues to function smoothly. That's a legacy worth leaving behind.